how to withdraw or transfer your cash money to bank account on your Sofi app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can withdraw your Sofi money, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you read on the help section, it says on your desktop, click the following link to initiate a withdrawal, which says sofi.com/world/app/withdrawal. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box. Once you select that up, you'll basically see this kind of interface. So it says how much would you like to withdraw. So you have to enter the amount that you want to withdraw from your invest account or whichever account, and you want to select to and choose the other account and tap on the review button. Once you've done so, you might also as well want to go ahead and select the bank account. So tap on the drop down menu or open up the drop down menu and select the option that says manage connected accounts. As you select manage connected accounts, you have to simply tap on it and choose the bank account that you want to actually send and transfer the money to. Once you've done everything, enter the amount from and to, and then just click on the transfer money button. And that's all it takes to transfer withdrawal cash money from your Sofi to your bank account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to your channel. And if you've got any more questions, make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.